automatic glass repair system built seamlessly into the atomic structure of the glass itself. It's a nanotechnology that interfaces at the molecular level and directs the broken glass elements to rebuild themselves.
The glass heals itself in the blink of an eye.
呢個就係我哋嘅目標。香港史達大樓係我哋致力為全球提供潔淨能源嘅標誌。大家唔使客氣。没错，东尼史达准备再一次拯救世界。
An Iron Wing vehicle is now being prepped for your tour of Stark Tower. Your route will give you a beautiful view of the city of Hong Kong. When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark for your up-close tour of the largest arc reactor in the world. But now, it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today, Jarvis.
唔該晒，黃小姐。
Jarvis is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
講得冇錯，我已經被載入鐵甲號嘅運作系統，可以全方位控制飛行汽車。我相信我哋好快就可以起飛。
Thank you, Jarvis. We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. All carry-on items must be safely stowed beneath your seats. Storage bins are located under every seat. To fasten your restraint, simply pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. When the crew member comes through, please raise your arms so they may make a visual confirmation. For your safety, remain seated throughout your tour with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children. Once you are seated, you may put on your Stark Vision heads-up display glasses. The glasses will activate prior to launch.
You are about to step into the future of transportation. All of us at Stark Industries wish you a pleasant flight. For takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by. The launch door has malfunctioned.
發射門棘住咗，發射集中激光炮。打爛咗道門，唔好意思。 前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅熱反應能源器。呢個熱反應能源器可以，立即接放閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅熱反應能源器。
Fine. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技展。
Jarvis, I need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器回復成功。
This is not part of the tour.
如果熱反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know. Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Go!
生。
2, 3. Come on, Jarvis, blast him! Good job.
感應器顯示，所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史特先生小心。
I am really. Go! That's our whole truck stuff. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力。
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史特先生。
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness. Well, shoot that! Beeping, go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much.
系統冇
Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot me the grappling cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史達先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I've got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。多謝。
Please retrieve your belongings and exit to the right. 請帶齊